All right, so we have this question here, and we have a fraction, and we don't like the fractions. We want to clear the fractions. So to clear the fractions, I have to think of the lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple, LCM. I have a 4 here. I have another 4. And I have a 24. And I'm just going to count by 4s. 4, 8, 12. What's the next one? Keep going. Okay, do the same thing for the red. Count by 4s. Ready, set, go. 4, 8. Come on. Okay, in my 2 list, green, red, and then blue. What's the number they all have in common? 24. That means I want all of the denominators, the bottom of the fraction, to be 24. In order to get that one to be 24, that means I'm going to have to multiply this one by a number. What number do you think that is? You're right, 6 over 6. Now you might be asking, why do I have 2 6s? 6 divided by 6 is 1. You can multiply any number times 1. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. Okay, so what do we get? Multiply across. Class 6 times 3. 6 times 4. 6 times 5. 4 times 6. Put your finger on the one that we need to move over to the right side. You should have said this one over here. So now I'm going to subtract 18 over 24. This is going to equal 0. This is going to come down. And then here, we're just going to subtract the numerator. Now the denominators are the same, you can subtract. Fractions have to be the same on the bottom. If we subtract 113 minus 18, we get what? Feel free to use your calculators. Not your phone, your calculator. What do I get? Yeah, 95. I should do them green. 95 over 24. And I'm going to do this all at once. I want to get rid of what's in front of the m, so you need the inverse. Partner B tell partner A, what's the inverse? If you need a hint, let me highlight it for you. You just need to flip it, not your finger, flip the fraction. So 24 over 30, negative. Now, why am I including the negative? The reason why I'm including the negative is because a negative times a negative is a positive. 24 divided by 24 is 1. 30 over 30 is 1. And you're going to get m equals, on the right side, this is a positive. Positive times a negative is a negative. I'm canceling my 24s because 24 divided by 24 is 1. And then I'm left with 95 over 30. You can leave it in improper. You don't need to make it a proper fraction. So you could deal with the fractions, or in this problem, we could have also just multiplied both sides by 6 and it would have cleared, multiplied both sides by 24 and it would have cleared the fraction as well.